Say good morning. Do you say good morning? Say, I'm getting ready for my first play date today, huh? Somebody coming over to play in your playroom? Huh? Somebody coming over to play in your playroom? Yeah. They gonna play in your tent? Nope, because it's a little girl coming over, huh? That's a boys' tent only. No? Not today? Today you'll share? It's not just you and Daddy today? Is that an elephant? Where's the lion? Where's the chicken? And the kitty? How about the doggy? The doggy? Arr, 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 arr. That's the kitty. Chicken? Yeah. Ooh. Always the camera.
And he wants to see.
It's so much fun vlogging. Now you can say hi. No, not grab it. Woo! That's a wall. You climbing up? They're kind of on your neck. Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Angel, are you having fun with your play date? Huh?
Thanks so much for joining us today. I hope you liked our video. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe button, and that bell if you want to follow our next adventure. Bye!